back to Brunette Wig Place. I am Lisa and I am so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you will get a notification every time I post a new video to my channel. So today I am bringing you another review for a wig from The Wig Company. This particular wig is called Fascinating, gotta get the box, and she is from their Fashion Club Designs collection. So this is the first time I've tried one from the Fashion Club Designs. I've tried ones from their Statements brand. So I was excited to get to try one from this particular line. So this one, like I said, is Fascinating, is the name of the wig, and the color on her is 8, and that is just described as a medium brown. Very straightforward. So she is a basic cap wig with a lace front. So I always love when they just add in that little lace front on a basic cap wig because it does give you a better option for pulling the hair off the face, and she is super cute pulled back, and we will get into that a little bit later. So as far as her measurements, well, let me do a turn and then we'll get into the measurements. I'm jumping ahead here. Okay, so here's the front. Just you can see she's got a lot of layers, so you know you can flip-flop her around, play around with those layers. She's really, really cute. She's got really fun movement too, really comfortable. So here's the front, really cute. My right side. She's cute in the back. Left side. And then back to the front. So super cute. So let me show you her lace front. Make sure my wig cap's not showing there. So nice lace front. Even though this is 8, you know, a medium brown, the knots are not bad. I'm really pleased with the lace front. And then her ear tabs are good too. They're staying in place for me. At first they were lifting a little bit on me, but now that I've kind of gotten them adjusted and everything, they're actually staying in place really nicely. So she's got good coverage, you know, around on the front of the ear tab, going over the ears. She's comfortable. She is an average cap, and I have a petite head, so I did have to cinch her in, but she has Velcro adjusters, which are so nice. So as you can see, I've got good coverage there around my face. Looks really nice, very pleased with it. So super, super cute. So as far as her measurements, she has 6 inches here in the front. So she does have this bang. If you are a bang person, I think she would look really actually cute with a bang cut in. You know, she would look really cute that way. So that is definitely an option if you are someone who likes to have a bang on a wig and likes more, you know, coverage over the forehead. So she is 6.5 inches from the top. She has 5-inch sides, 5 3/4 in the back, and then her nape back here is 4 inches. She doesn't have an extended nape in the cap. I'll show you the cap in a minute, but she doesn't really need one. So 4-inch nape back here, really, really cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and pop her off. We can talk about the inside of her cap. So she is an open cap. They describe it as it's called capless sometimes. What it does is there is wefting all on this top part of the cap so that you get that coolness to the scalp on the top and all around the sides. So if you're someone who tends to run hot in wigs, especially in the warmer months, you know, this is a really great option, you know. So there is a little bit of closed lace, but there's wefting underneath that. So, but you have definitely have this open wefting here on the sides, which is great. So you have that lace front, which is really, really nice. Goes, you know, temple to temple there. And then you've got, you know, soft felt, velvety soft ear tabs. They have a good sized piece of metal, lots of hair attached to the ear tab for pulling her off the face. She's got the Velcro adjusters, which are great. Like I said, she doesn't have an extended nape, but this is soft, you know, felt across there. So really, really nice, open wefting all through that cap. So really, really nice. She only weighs 2.9 ounces. I forgot to give the weight. She's super light, which is really nice. So as you can see, I mean, you just throw her on and kind of give her a shake, and she is ready to go, which I love about these little styles. If you're running late for work or to get out the door to an appointment or something, boom, throw on a basic cap, you know. Great styles to just toss on. So really nice. All right, so let's take her outside and we will look at this style, Fascinating, outside in the natural light. Okay, So we are outside with this number 8 on the Fascinating wig from the Wig Company. So you can also get a better view of that permatease on the top, which I don't think is bad. And I'll show you some styling techniques for that, you know, when we go back inside. But so this is that 8, medium brown. Very pretty, very straightforward medium brown. Very natural looking brunette. We can move out here. We're kind of having sun and clouds today, but we've got some sun, you know, a little bit of sunlight coming through. But this is an opportunity to really see that permatease. I'd like to help you make an informed decision about how much that shows, because it bothers some people more than it does others. Super cute. I just think she is just feminine and chic and super fun. Really cute. Okay, we'll take her back inside. So we are back inside with Fascinating in the number 8 color, medium brown. So as you can see, you know, there is permatease up there, but it's not really too visible. And I love the way they have all these layers. You know, they tend to do this with a lot of basic cap wigs, different, you know, wig makers do. And it just allows you to kind of rake through and pull that permatease up a little bit if you want to get the volume, but you can also smooth it back down. But these little styles are really meant for you to play with the volume a little bit. So, you know, take advantage of it. Have bigger hair for a day or whatever, you know, but just play with the style. She would also be super cute with some piecing cream. Go through and piece out some of these little layers and pull them out. You know, you could also just put some water on your hands and kind of give her a little fluff. And I think that she would keep her volume and her style, you know, really, really nicely all through the day. So as far as her fibers, she is just regular synthetic. She's not heat friendly. So she's not one that you can curl, but I just find the more I play with her, like these layers, they go forward, they go backward, and they're just fun and, you know, really fun to play with. So she's real cute for styling. But like I said, the one thing I love is that she has a lace front, because she looks really, really cute. I'm gonna have to glance in the mirror here. Pulled back with a claw clip on top. I just think she looks super cute like that. So, you know, and that's just an easy breezy style to wear any day. Really, really cute. And then she's also really cute. You know, you can just pull back, put a cute clip in her, put something fun in her. You could put something sparkly in her. That would be really cute. She's really cute with a headband. You can just stick it in there, you know, if you want to, or if you want to pull her back with the headband, you can do that too. You can stick her behind the ears. She's really, really easy to get behind the ears. You can stick the headband in there, and she looks really cute. You could also pull down, you know, these little bangs there. That would be really cute. So while I've got her back, I'll show her to you with glasses. Everything's off camera today. But glasses, she's very friendly. My goodness, my glasses are dirty. She's very glasses friendly. So really easy just to, you know, pull on and off with the glasses, no problem, even with the headband in. But I think she looks so cute with a headband. I just love it. So anyway, so this is Fascinating by the Wig Company from their Fashion Club Designs collection. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate it. Also, thank you to the Wig Company for sending me, sorry y'all, sending me this wig to review today. There will be a link for you to purchase her down below. And as always, until we see each other next time, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.